Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always great to have you here. And I'm just gonna let you tell us what we're making today.
Okay, so we're gonna make a little play on a Greek salad where we're gonna use chickpeas.
Okay.
And then it's gonna get put into a piece of pita, like a pita bread.
Okay.
And the reason it makes it a little bit like a Greek salad is that we're using some olives and we're gonna use some oregano, vinegar, but we're just gonna make kind of like you would make maybe even a tuna salad. Or egg salad, except we're not going to use any mayonnaise. We're going to do a little bit of hummus just to kind of slightly bind everything together. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some chopped bell peppers, nice and sweet, some red onion, and then we're going to do just a couple of tablespoons of vinegar. You could use red wine vinegar, that would be traditional. We're using apple cider vinegar today. And this is just going to get all mixed up into just a little bound salad. It's very easy.
And again, you're just taking those little bits of changes like the hummus instead of mayo and using the chickpeas, that you're just getting those better choices.
Right, and I didn't say this, but obviously these are canned chickpeas. They're just drained well. Pour them into a bowl and then add your other ingredients. And so you can give the flavors a little bit of time to develop, 20 minutes or so for that oregano to really start showing up. And this is ready to go. I mean, you could put cucumbers, that would also be traditional. You could do a little bit of feta cheese. We didn't do that. But then here is our completed pita. So we have some lettuce, kind of goes with the salad, tomato, and then it's all stuffed into a pita.
And is this something too, like based on, I know in the past we've kind of talked about different ingredients, like what you have, you could switch it up if you didn't have the peppers or you didn't have the onions or something of that nature too.
Totally, and you could even switch up the beans. You could do another kind of canned white bean. That would be totally fine.
Okay, perfect.
Yep.
This is awesome. It looks amazing. I'm gonna take a bite and I'm gonna be nice. I won't like totally, shove it in my mouth.
Unless you just really like it.
Unless I really want to.
Yes.
That's very good. And it's very refreshing tasting. I would eat it plain or in the pita, either one.
Yeah.
This is wonderful. Thank you for always giving us great recipes. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the others, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.